Hello everyone, welcome to my another video. Um, this is an amazing video you will ever see because I'm going to show how I earned 4%, how I get 4% profit from Ethereum yesterday. Not yesterday, but I mean this setup was I was setting this setup yesterday, but it got it just break out from this structure today, and I got 4% quick entry, quick out, and which was a great trade. You will be this video is worth, so do watch at to the end. Okay, so first of all, you can see that this is a major resistance. The price was consolidating at this area. It break down, it retested, it comes down, but it didn't continue going down, right? It didn't show any bearishness, so I think this might break this hole, which was cooking at this area, would break this major resistance where the price consolidated, and this was the resistance, so much resistance you can see right here. This was resistance, this was consolidating area, and again it moved up, but it made a resistance, again it moved, it failed many times, right? But you can see this, volume, right? This candle volume, it broke so nicely that everybody everybody get into this trade. I think everybody get into this trade and made a nice profit. But you can see how I enter at this trade. Okay, so after this break of this structure in 4-hour time frame, my direction was buy, right? I should take long only because it has break the structure. It came to retest at this level. I waited for this structure. I waited for this price to move to my buy zone, right, where the price break and it comes to retest this level. I go to 1 hour time frame. I see, look, you can see this one hammer candle, right? It broke structure, it come to retest. I see a hammer candle, but as soon as you see hammer candle, you should not enter the trade. Okay, you need to you need to get more information in low time frame, whether it's making some kind of double bottom or not. So it broke the structure, right? You can see also again this was a consolidation. It broke, it retraced, right? It again come down, it again tried to go up, but it didn't continue bearish trend, right? But it broke above, right? And it came to retest. This was a sign of entry level, but to get a sniper entry, you should go to a low time frame, right? I always want to secure my loss, right? Always want to risk a small amount of loss to get a huge amount of profit. I only think of low risk, high reward. Okay, so I waited for the structure to come to this level. It did came to this level at first, but I need to get second support, right? So I moved to low time frame, which is my entry time frame, 15-minute time frame, right? I see, look, you can see this. This was a failed of this break, right? It tried to move up, but it failed. So after that it break, right? It break this resistance level. So you can see it came to this structure where the price failed to break the structure, or break structure zone, you can say, or and it moved up, right? This was a hammer candle. This hole which was formed was a hammer candle, but the first support may not act as a support, right? Because the first support may get break like this. It can be a failed to get support, right? So I waited for another confirmation, which I got right here. It tries to break this structure, right? This 15-minute low time frame, but you can see that you can see this one you can see it tries to break structure. It tries to break structure, right? This one structure, but it failed, and next candle the spinning type of candle formed, right? A green candle formed, which was my entry level, right at this level, and you can see it made a double bottom, right? It break structure, it came down, it goes up, it came down, and double bottom formed, and I enter at this level, which was my setup, right? I always I was my trading setup is always breakout, retest, double bottom, or a morning star. You can see I didn't found any morning star. I didn't found any hammer candle in low time frame, but I find a spinning candle. I shouldn't have entered spinning candle when it was made at this level, right? But it has already the structure was already clean, right? Double bottom, and at the double bottom, next bottom end, next bottom, they formed a spinning candle, which was a good sign to buy. So I took buy at this level. My stop loss was 1% below this structure, right? Because there was little bit of a demand at this level. Look, it was failing to break. It was again failing. Look, you can see right here, it moved up, it failed this attempt to break up. It moved down, it again tries to break up, but it failed. At last it break up, right? So this was a the bulls were this was a from here the pressure came, right? So to go up. So I think below this stop loss would be nice. So below this structure I get a safe stop loss, which was my 1%, right? 1%, you can see right here, 1% my stop loss, and I got profit around 1:4. No, the 1:4, I think 4%. Yeah, I got 4%. My target was at this level 4%, because I see a huge spike, a huge volume, and as soon as the huge volume came, the price drops down because the overall trend is red, overall trend is downward. But so Bitcoin just getting pump and dump every day, since uh, 2 weeks or 3 weeks. The Bitcoin is consolidating and pumping and dumping. So yeah, so I think this is my entry. This is my profit level, 4%. Yeah, as soon as it get hit, and the volume, I see the volume is so huge, right? I think the after the huge volume, the bearishness must come, right? Because everybody is afraid of making huge money for a long term. Because I think people get afraid as soon as the price goes up, the price is dumping. So they are just making profit at this level, taking profit at this level, and the price dumps. I got safe, right? I was thinking of trailing stop loss, because as soon as it break this level, right, it broke the structure level. I was thinking of putting I was thinking of trailing my stop loss from here to here or here. But the price was the market is just pumping and dumping. I just want to get safe, so I just took a profit right at this level. So I got 1% I got 1% stop loss, and my reward was 4%. That was great, right? This setup was great. So yeah, I'm doing this kind of stuff every day, every day, every year. This setup is making me money enormous, right? So you can add up this kind of setup to your trading plan. It broke structure, it came to retest. I got a double bottom in 15-minute time frame. In my entry time frame, it go up, and I got safe. To get safe, I just took a profit of around 4%, and my risk was 1%, which was good. Yeah, thank you.